Marigolds offer a variety of benefits to plants, most notably as a natural pest repellent and weed suppressant. They can also attract beneficial pollinators, improve soil health, and even be eaten, especially cygnet marigolds, which add a citrus flavor. Marigold leaves can be used as natural fertilizer by composting the dried leaves, or by making marigold leaf tea. This second method will enrich the soil nutrients and help the plants grow well. Making marigold leaf compost. Collect dried marigold leaves. Cut the leaves into smaller pieces. Mix the marigold leaves with compost or manure. Let the mixture compost for a few weeks or months, until the marigold leaves decompose. Once decomposed, the compost is ready to use by spreading it on the soil around the marigold plants or other plants. 2. Making marigold leaf tea. Boil fresh marigold leaves with water for a few minutes. Strain the boiled water. Pour the marigold leaf tea onto the soil around the plants. Marigold leaf tea can provide additional nutrients for marigold plants, helping them thrive. You can add fresh or dried marigold leaves to the composter along with other organic materials such as vegetable and fruit scraps. Make sure the composter has good ventilation to prevent unpleasant odors. Mix the compost with the soil around the plants to help improve soil fertility. If you use marigold leaves, make sure not to water the plants too often, because marigolds are quite drought resistant. By making fertilizer from marigold leaves, you not only save on fertilizer costs, but also help protect the environment by utilizing organic waste in your garden. Natural liquid fertilizer from marigold leaves can be made by infusing fresh marigold leaves in water, then filtering and using as liquid fertilizer. This process can accelerate growth and provide nutrients for plants. How to make liquid marigold fertilizer. 1. Prepare ingredients. Fresh marigold leaves, the amount is adjusted to your needs. Clean water, ideally rainwater. A clean container, bucket, bottle, etc. Clean cloth or sieve. 2. Cut the marigold leaves. Cut the marigold leaves into smaller sizes so they can be easily broken down. 3. Infuse the marigold leaves. Put the cut marigold leaves into a container. Pour clean water until it covers the leaves. Cover the container to avoid dust or insects. Let stand for 1 to 2 weeks, or until the water is green and the smell of the marigold leaves is stronger. Avoid using liquid marigold fertilizer that is too concentrated, as it can harm the plant. Make sure to mix the liquid marigold fertilizer with water before use. Store the liquid marigold fertilizer in a cool and dry place. Benefits of liquid marigold fertilizer. Fertilizes the soil. Marigold fertilizer contains nutrients that are important for plant growth, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Controls pests. Marigold leaves have an aroma that is disliked by certain pests, so they can help protect plants from pest attacks. Accelerates growth. Marigold fertilizer can help plants grow faster and healthier. Strain the liquid fertilizer. After the infusion is complete, strain the liquid fertilizer with a clean cloth or sieve to separate the leaf debris. 5. Use the liquid fertilizer. The marigold liquid fertilizer is ready to use. Mix it with water before use. The recommended ratio is 1 part marigold fertilizer to 10 parts water. Pour the liquid fertilizer on the plant, especially on the soil around the roots. Natural liquid fertilizers have many benefits for plants, especially in terms of increasing soil fertility, plant growth, and crop quality. Liquid organic fertilizers (POC) are rich in macro and micronutrients, beneficial microorganisms, and organic substances that help plants grow more fertile and strong. In addition, POC is also environmentally friendly and does not damage soil structure like chemical fertilizers. Here are some of the main benefits of natural liquid fertilizer for plants. Increased soil fertility. POC helps improve soil structure, increases soil aggregates, and makes the soil loose. This makes it easier for plant roots to penetrate the soil and absorb nutrients. Increased plant growth and productivity. POC encourages the growth of new shoots, plant cells, and increases chlorophyll in leaves. POC can also stimulate the formation of flower buds and strengthen pollen stalks. Increased plant resistance. POC helps increase plant resistance to pests and diseases, and helps plants adapt to weather changes. Increased quality of harvest results. POC can improve the quality of plant products, such as taste, color, and texture. Environmentally friendly. POC is made from natural ingredients, so it does not leave harmful chemical residues in the soil and environment. In addition, POC can also be used as a substitute for manure and reduce the use of inorganic fertilizers. POC can also help suppress the population of pests and plant diseases. Repel pests. Marigolds produce a strong scent that can mask the scent of plants, making it difficult for pests like aphids, moths, and beetles to find the plants they want to feed on. Attract predatory insects. Marigolds attract predatory insects like beetles, bees, tomcats, and ants, which will then prey on other pests. Deter pests. Some types of marigolds, such as French marigolds, produce natural compounds that are toxic to the roots of nematodes, thus inhibiting their attack. Examples of pests repelled by marigolds. Nematodes, especially root knot nematodes, caterpillars, tomato hornworms, cabbage worms, aphids beetles, Colorado potato beetles, cucumber beetles. Fruit flies, whiteflies. How to plant marigolds to control pests. Plant marigolds around plants that are susceptible to pests. Plant marigolds in containers to protect potted plants. Make sure marigolds get plenty of sunlight and airflow.